Hi friends, it's Ms. Lopez again. So friends, it's been so interesting to learn about American Indians. Now that you have built all this content knowledge, it's time to really think about how much you have grown as a historian and as a researcher. You have used this nonfiction study and learned an immense amount of information about so many groups of Indians. So we first learned about the Northwest Coast Indians, the Plain Indians, the Southwest Indians, and now so much more. Now that you have absorbed so many facts, I want to teach you a new and important lesson today. Today, I'm going to teach you that nonfiction readers learn new information about a topic. They often revise their initial thinking about a big topic. Watch me as I do this. Readers, when we first started out this unit of study, we may have thought that the Aztecs were no longer in existence. But as I read this section on page 42 of the Aztec Empire, I realize that some of their past still lives today, as nearly 1 million people still speak Nahuatl, the Aztec language. That's pretty amazing. I'm so impressed that the language is continued to pass down from generations to generations, and that so many people still speak it today. Readers, what do you just see what I did? Well, I revised my thinking about the Aztecs by reading and exploring more thoroughly. Now it's your turn to try. You will share in a way in which you revise your thinking about the Aztecs. But first, let me reread page 28 for you, called A Writing System. The Aztecs spoke Nahuatl, a language that is still used in some parts of Mexico today. They also had a writing system made out of symbols known as glyphs. Each glyph could represent a part of a word, a person, place, object, or idea. The Aztecs wrote on large and long sheets made out of cloths, tree barks, and animal skin. These sheets were used to make a kind of book called a codex. By studying many books or codices, experts have learned so much about the Aztec life. So, how did this section revise your thinking about the Aztecs? I want you to think about that for a sec. Let me repeat the question. How did this section that I just read to you revise your thinking about the Aztecs? Remember that nonfiction readers learn new information about a topic. They often revise their initial thinking of the big topic. Sometimes we may have a theory, but once we start studying the text, our thinking changes as we learn more information and combine it with information we already know. By constantly revising and refining our thinking, we understand the big ideas in nonfiction texts so much more clearly. I hope you got a lot out of this lesson, and I can't wait for you to do this when you independently read. Happy reading, friends. Bye.